Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, Jim. Once more. I them stuck in the football. You know, there again once more. Basically, you can see the place complete. Yeah. In the paint out and everything. So, furniture we are working on after now. You see me? And you know, 1 and 2 things for that shop. One like Prince there.
Yeah, man, it's lively, man, you know?
Lively.
Yeah, so we get the pillow lively.
They get the pillow lively.
Yeah.
See there?
That's right.
It's right.
Yeah, man, you know, straight Juba there, you know, Chef Juba, you know, there, man.
Chef Delgado.
They are all out, you know?
Phantom.
Phantom, yeah, man. Phantom, you know?
Your name change.
Yeah, man. Let's put on a shirt, man, you know? Yeah, man, time out, you know? Yeah, man, respect on the yard.
See the Phantom himself, man.
Phantom, man, you know?
Well, you know, say Phantom, man. Me have some donation food, you know, Gin. Yeah, you see me, I say. I look at donation food. And we have Gin. A friend from Hawaii. Family and friend from Hawaii. Yeah. US. $5,000. Yeah, friends and family in Hawaii. Friends and
family in Hawaii, only for love and respect, only for blessings, you know. Yeah, give thanks a lot. Love.
Yeah. So you know them still continue and support the cause same way. And the great Delgado.
Yeah, man.
Friends and family.
Yeah, friends and family.
Yeah. You don't know that. Are you entertain them in a day laugh, them a laugh and them a
friends and family.
In Hawaii.
In Hawaii?
Yeah.
Friends and family. I tell you how much time I repeat it. Yeah. Friends and family.
Yeah.
So you know, say street family. You see me?
And friends.
Yeah, man, respect me.
$5,000.
$5,000. Yeah, man, friends and family in Hawaii, man. Respect your honor, yeah. Why, John, what I tell you?
Yeah,
remember, Jamaican national dish, curry, white rice. Yeah, man. You see, friends and family in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Big up and respect, yeah.
Sure.
Love me for that, yeah.
Curry chicken back and white rice.
Yeah, man. That's my national dish.
Sure.
Can't stop talking about that. I can't selfish upload people thing. Our thing that, man. Friends and family in Hawaii.
Big up yourself.
Respect, man. Big up, yeah.
Sure.
Only for love phone, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I don't know. We have man like Prince.
Yeah.
Next man at the moment. The foundation I go start next.
Yeah, man.
You see me, you know the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, friends and family from Hawaii.
Yeah.
So they must support the cause.
Sure, yeah.
$20,000 towards your material. Yeah. 20,000 towards your material. Yeah, so you can count it and so I go on.
Straight.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah. So you know that's 20 from friends and family.
Big up yourself, friends and family. We love how you set the thing for yourself. You know what's done. Much love, much strength.
Yeah.
Guide and protection, you know?
So you know we start buying material in this week.
Yeah.
So everything we get, you know, so we got hardware. Got the builder send over the thing now. We're getting the hardware, start buy up so the work can start.
Which is right.
You understand? So people, any money when it's a Prince get, you know it's only going to all these materials.
Yeah.
In place can build.
Which is right.
So you don't know say me a comfortable life. Same way.
Yeah.
You see me? So
Only make me not worry neither again.
yeah, you not to worry again though.
No, we not worry again, because we see what I'm going.
Yeah. So how you feel now? You feel like better than yourself?
100%, you know?
Yeah. So the pill them at work and everything.
Yeah man, them calm me down man. And then make me not talk so much, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
And me never talk so much, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
You just like more humble.
You're humble now. Yeah, good. You see me? You see Jimmy more different now from
Yeah, man, I come on better, man. Far, you see?
far better from
So
that
I
time.
live up all whatnot and everything. I live 5 days today.
You see the one?
See the whatnot them only make and I live them up car. I get food.
Yeah, eat food now. I'm can sick and normally I see my shake and now
Yeah, man, calm down, show man, yeah, man. You see?
active and now.
So you get the pill, man, the injection now, so it move like a mummy. Right, you can't take man, the pill, man. Calm your nerves.
Nerves calm and thing. So we have Gin, we have Darrington and Doreen from the US. $13,000. From Darrington and Doreen from the US.
Darrington.
No, Darrington
Darrington.
and Doreen, yeah.
Darrington and Doreen.
Yeah, from the US.
For love and respect you. You see my blessings and honor cause our help out to start out some things around in the house. So I want for respect for this man. You see them?
Yeah.
What for blessing.
See
What
that.
for love to you. Yeah. Give thanks.
Big thanks. And Prince,
Yeah.
same thing from Darrington and Doreen in the US. Towards your material.
Yeah.
See we $13,000 towards your material.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 and 5, 13. And that's from Darrington and Doreen.
Big up yourself, Darrington, Doreen. Much love, much strength. Guide and protect you. Don't have people are good enough, you know?
Yeah.
I help all the people when I have nothing, you see?
Yeah.
Blessed love. Each and everyone. I send out donation to me. Yeah. Give thanks.
Yeah man, right here.
Yeah, man.
So when you think go. And Gin,
Yeah.
you know a donation from Dana from the USA.
Yeah.
$10,000 from Dana from the USA.
What for love, Dana. Blessings. Love where you see me, cause do a good thing, you see me? Help out a lot of things, so I want for love and blessing to you.
Yeah.
Respect a lot.
You don't know. They're gonna need furniture and them could thing there, so
Yeah, you know, for real.
all them things there for go towards it. See
I
what
want
it
for
is.
love, man, to them.
Yeah, you know, bed and this and that.
Yeah.
Help a lot right now to start out some things.
Yeah. I don't know where I'm moving, you know, we have to go celebrate and everything, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? We have to go bust the celebration and we are moving.
Yeah, man.
We have to go do that, man. We have some, man.
Yeah.
And we have,
Like our birthday, that's celebrate.
yeah, we have to go celebrate, man. So we have Prince again, from Dana and Susie, from Queens. Dana and Susie from Queens, 5,005. Yeah. 5,005. From Dana and Susie.
5. Big up yourself, Dana and Susie. Much love, much strength, guide and protection to you.
Dana and Susie.
Love
Yeah.
you so much. Don't have people are great, we have one thing we don't have it. When we have it now, clean ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Alright, so Marvin. So we have a donation from Sonia from the UK. Yeah. Because she said, yo, the dream team.
That one and up there.
She said, yo, she always the 4th person the other day when it started the dream team.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So you know what I say? Yeah. So you know Sonia
Sonia.
from the UK. So she said, yo, the dream team. So you don't say, yeah, they're there from the start. So you're one of the one from the dream team. You see me in 2005. From Sana, from the UK.
Give thanks, you know, it's a blessing, you know. You see, that I go far away, you do the good things. I give thanks from my heart. You see me, my soul, my mind and everything. I appreciate it. I have love. Blessing, love.
After the dream team. From the dream team. So
Respect that, you know.
we also have the Joe and Carl and Blacks. You see me? So we have also got to deal with them in a minute as well too. After we deal with them thing. So Jin, as I said, the work continue.
Yeah.
After we leave from you know, it's our Prince.
Yeah, man, beautiful yourself.
Yeah. Delgado.
Yeah, man.
People them that say when your birthday.
Yeah, man, it's the 11th of July, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, Leo.
yeah, man.
For celebrating.
Yeah, man, 11th of July, plus one, you know.
Yeah.
So we want to celebrate it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we want to beat some juice and just hit that. Yeah, man, you see. Yeah, man. Big up the whole of UK, you know. America, England, while Japan are big up to, you know. China. All them places, you see. Netherlands.
Everybody. The world.
Yeah, man.
You see, everybody are the same, you know. You see, nothing, no color, no part,
Respect for that, man.
black,
Yeah.
white, pink. Everybody is the same. I come from one master, the Most High.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand me? He left this for the whole of it. For unite, have love, respect, understanding. Is if I have that, you carry through the world. You understand me? Me know you know everybody not gonna have it, but if majority have it, we can conquer the little we don't have it.
Yeah.
Don't keep words.
You see? You see, if we keep our words is serious.
Definitely.
Listen,
Yeah,
love.
man.
So liquor.
Straight not to the man.
Liquor. The lady with the visor. But them say always get her work. Friends from Hawaii. So must bless up the lady with the visor. Them always say that the only female. $4,000 from friends and family in Hawaii.
Friends and family, you know why.
Yeah.
All the female around, you see?
Yeah, man.
Every day.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Them friends and family from Hawaii.
Friends and family from Hawaii,
Yeah,
thank you for this. You know the way you do for me. And just go and hold the faith and everything. I hope Father God bless you to have more on top of more. When you can help each and other. I don't know. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. All the panel, you know.
Yeah, man.
Friends and family, you know why, you know.
Yeah.
London, Brixton, all of them places there, you know. Germany, you know.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, man. Big up on that. All, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know.
So Prince good you know.
Yeah, man, Prince.
Yeah, man.
You see me? You might come on.
Which is right, you know.
So you don't know say work
Give
I
thanks
start.
and donation, you know.
Yeah.
To everyone, you know. Love everyone. Guide
Yeah.
and protection again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So Chinchi now so like a one what you're gonna need now for your place. So you're gonna need a bed, obviously, TV.
So we can put my clothes in,
That's what I want.
Chestnut jar.
Chestnut jar.
Yeah, so yeah, and TV and
Chestnut jar, let me put in there.
so we come out wine to it, but nothing too
Yeah, you
much.
know I crowd up my house.
Yeah, we don't want
That's
full
a
of
clown
move,
move, bro,
we don't have space up, we not going to like too much thing, you understand?
You want a
Yeah.
little stove in there.
Yeah, and I put stove down, yeah. I put stove and things.
See boy.
Ceiling fun, wall fun, you know.
Yeah.
I want some.
Alright,
We
fine.
put something there. That's what we want.
I think that. Change it, man.
I do the right thing, man. I go there to go give me some donation for Carl. And next work of them and Drew also. And so then I say Black said,
No, I'm not seeing
Black them, that's our
Not see you.
alright, I'm gonna check them and come back. Not last time, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. Come on.
Come in, Dada.
Oh, I still prime this.
Yeah, this after finishing, you know. Dada! Not touch out it yet.
Yeah. Still prime out and thing. So I put in the half white.
Yeah, so they are.
Yeah, man. So Joe, you know you have Sonia from the UK.
Yeah.
Come that side. Come that side, brother. You have Sonia from the UK. Where them say, oh, the dream team, them say the dream team, the man always there. Oh, see, man.
Yeah.
The dream team. I'm saying 4 persons always mainly there upon it already. You see me? Marvin, Morgan, you know, Joe, Sprague, and the great Mason, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Big up self in the world.
Sonia, she's named Sonia from the UK.
Yeah.
So you know Sonia from the UK,
Yeah.
2005,
Okay.
from Sonia from the UK.
The thanks and blessings every time, man.
Yeah. So you know, so big out every time.
Yeah, for real.
So Black Sonia Dream Team.
Yeah.
And we also have Sprague Benz from Sets and the end, Sonia from the UK.
Yes, son, give thanks to it, same way, and more blessing, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope the store basket will never empty. Give thanks, same way.
Yeah.
You see?
Never empty.
Yeah.
And we have man like Joe.
Yeah, man.
But there you see me up on the floor. 2005 from Sonia
Respect.
from the UK.
Thank you very much for your strength and your talking, your appreciation, love, respect,
Yeah.
strength,
So you
life.
don't know, say, you got to deal with Prince place after we're done with this, say, you know. You see me, and the people them a look for see the dream team, see them we dip on it. You see me, I say.
Yeah, man.
So we see him and them a look, see me for dip on the foundation, right through. You see me, because people them say them like how we give me support from the start. Right through.
Yeah, she man,
You see me?
yeah.
Yeah, man, so everything up and everything, man. So the man has gone well and go and big up on himself, see him. You see me?
Big up yourself, son. More love and more blessing, you
Yeah,
see?
Sonia from the UK.
Okay. This from Jamaica.
So she have eyes for Uno, so yo, don't you tell ever dip on it. Me and one them. You see me? Never leave it. The man's going big up and give thanks to the support of them and the donor them see me. Sonia, big up yourself and much blessings for your best do. You see me? So
Good job.
yeah,
Just keep it up. All down the same way.
yeah.
More life.
It go a long way, you know.
And Sonia, I give my love to each and every one of us. We are going to do the same work, same way constantly. Till better coming more and more on top of more. So that's why I'm big up yourself. Only girl is on the side.
Yeah,
With many love with everybody.
straight. Oh, yeah.
Bless them.
Yeah.
Chips, I can't tell
Shit,
them.
what go on? So what go on with yourself?
Be careful.
Baptized and start church.
Oh, see, I got church now.
Yeah, so my time for them, I feel give me baby pampers, I feel so my time I have to wait on them to get support to give me baby.
Okay. Then I really to stay now and anything thing there. So at church can I get pampers and feed and anything thing there?
Yeah, them mostly able, but so my time I have to wait on them, but now I have to wait on them.
Now I'm getting your business. Tell them the life story you can move them.
Yeah. So,
Here we go, and this is the girl named Chips. I know her from before she born. And I know her till she reached to this. She usually go in the street and them rape her. So you choose them rape her. She get a little sickness still. She still there fight the battle. She still a fight the battle still. She get pregnant with it same way that I look for you. But right now things kinda hard for her, nothing now go on for her. She build up a little shop and have it on the sheet, stock it out, but through hungriness and poorness, she have to use what she sell from the shop and eat it. So right now the shop empty. And more time the little baby she not even have food for herself much as her baby. So she just ask a little help. It might not be big, but you don't know. Just need a little help, you can help her out. She not even live nowhere good. And she don't have a bathroom, she don't have a toilet, she only just build up a little room for cover her itch and her baby.
Okay.
But the situation kind of bad because in her house was really good start out. And she don't really have nothing.
yeah.
So, I
So
don't
does she basically a fend for herself and
and she have to just walk and look the food for she and her baby. Some church people will get 1 and 2 pampers and so forth, but not enough.
Yeah.
Where you know so can keep out the baby. Sometimes she have to walk and beg people. People don't know, people don't take disadvantage of people. More times she not really get it. So she have to just be hungry many times. She not youth and thing. So I can't look for her. That's the story me have for her from know from she a baby. Peace and love same way.
It's a really a sad story still. You know, so that really happened, isn't it? So how much now, Chips?
37. Next month me at 38.
Next month you are 38. And your first child is?
The last one.
The last one.
I have one day a garden and I have 2 up here.
Okay. So it's the last one you say them can open on the street?
Yeah. So most of the time I go up there for work and get food, last coffee and cheese and pancake. I mean I like it.
Yeah. Because you don't really get no support from nobody else. Can you understand? Well, yes, told me something that we can put towards. Yeah, so if I reach out, see me, the people them can reach out for you, so you have to support. Patel Street, yes, sir?
To the other way, all of them they go up through the day. A fair was to the old.
Okay. Right at 4th Street, yes, sir?
No man, in a 3rd Street, yes,
Street.
sir. I'll come through 4th Street and come down on the alley to come on 3rd Street, yes, sir.
Yeah.
This a fair house, right through the whole will come through.
Baby, how much?
My 8 months.
My 8 months. That's up to me. Yeah, boy. I beg Father God for the blessing. Yeah, buy Alaska now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you see that? So you can buy 2 Alaska now, boy. We hope for the best and see what can go on. If we don't put up a video and the people then reach out, then we reach back to you so we can help you. So you shop anything and good thing there. So hopefully the people then reach out to you so we can get some good things, isn't it? So you can get the grocery and pampers and good things because at the church support it, so a whole heap of godly people there on the program. Yeah. So they're going to use them soft heart and try to reach out back to you like what them can do to others, isn't it? So we are keep in touch and just go on with the faith here, me. Yeah?
I know for me pass over there and she tell me to link you.
Yeah.
The pastor and see but nobody knows how you.
Okay. Yeah.
So when me a pass a while ago.
You see me?
Miss Sister you. Because she that tell me about it to link you again that an angel will.
Yeah.
And most of the time I see me go to all pampers and lots of the baby but so she know the part nothing like that.
Yeah, I understand. Come on, I understand.
Just go and hold the feet and just pray.
This morning I go look at job in a retail and them say them no want to workers
Who's the car one now?
Yeah, but I can't live so right now. I'm tired of eating and my people feel if you open the shop right now.
Where you selling a shop like grocery and everything there?
Like bleach, fabulous, and rings, cake shape, reaper, this, that, or the ninja and
Paper.
Toiletry stuff.
She have the baby, everything that's gone right down to 0.
Yeah.
Right now she have to walk and bake and do something. Then it's not nice because you don't know. Everybody has say yes.
Yeah. You see the type of people that when you go bed, them will give you because not everybody will be. But to the type of people them where now go share me.
Yeah, I understand. Because as I was saying, it's shameful when you beg people and them are deal with some way, isn't it?
You have to pick and choose who you are.
That's what I say, you know, some people say them are serve God and when you take a supper, them alone want to live, them don't want you live and have nothing for yourself and them don't want to see a prosper. That TrenchTown here, certain people don't want to see a prosper and them don't want to see a make it in life. Tell me, I've been there and done that. I know what is what. Be a fight, me get in my yard, be a fight. That's why I have to do what I have to do. The first time when me that say, be a fight, me get in there.
So what kind of sickness them say?
But she put out chips. Tell me the truth. Them can't help it in here. We get help from them. That's telling you.
Alright, and so she probably don't want to say it back here, so we understand. You see me first. Feel her pain, you see me? Because you can see she go through it. Rough. Can't treat it rough, because she still try to look at job. And see can't get through, see you here. Like not really easy out to get job either.
Where's the corona now? They're not really taking nobody.
People with qualification.
Yeah, and I saw them look for you as well too, and I try to stay with her.
Ah, see, people have them qualification, I can't get no work.
Yeah man, so I don't start trips, but let's go on with the faith, see me, man, you see me?
Let's go and go to your church, see me, and pray.
I which church I go?
Sister Kino.
Okay, up on 5th Street, yes sir?
Yeah. And from the baby we born, I don't talk, and then give me the big baby shower, and then give me baby clothes, so and so, and then support me, or two now, and then me have to wait for them. I can't wait for them, because them all look more than picnic.
Yeah.
Right, you know, them she can't really live off of them because them I say no, she have baby now, so she have to look something for herself.
Yeah, that's what I want to try myself.
That's how basically she'll try to get something she can help herself.
If she get the shop running, get back the shop running. She can just go and sell. And she knows she can buy 1 and 2 pampers and cook the food all tight, and she knows so she can run go back to town and buy back something.
Yeah.
And she has seek and she has try to get somebody can help her to stack it over, but there is no one. So I have to just pray for the people them that they watch a program
and
reach out to you. And just go out with the faith and go and pray. Without the God, there is nothing. If I never Father God, no for who there so today, Corona that take away. And you have to give God thanks and pray for the supporters. Them will look on people things and can help them. You have to pray for the supporters them also. Too.
Yeah man, so let's go on with the faith. I'm glad like we're in a church. So you can buy some pampers and you could think the feel. Yeah. So we want to let's go. So we'll keep the link here, so if anything they could bring my company ends and you sure, and we talk more. Yeah? Alright, let's go on with the faith, same and let's go on and pray. Because once I pray, you know, maybe your blessings will come true. You understand? So you have to just believe in your prayers, them see you here. And know say Father God will work now way for you. So this can be the way for the people who are going to try to help you out, see you here with the blessings. You understand? So you say you want to get a shop to stack out back and things. That will be a good thing for you where you can go and get a hustle. So let's go on with the faith, see me, and go and put the prayers out. Father God are listening. Yeah? So it will reach. Alright boy. Yeah, chips. Go on with the faith man here. Yeah, keep the link.
When them come?
I never know say I hear mother when you live on Thursday.
Tweet.
Yeah. I know I'm a good friend, you know. Yeah, I'm a good
I
friend.
feel Father, I make the party, Mikey, the dancing.
Yeah, I know Mikey.
Yeah. So shall I watch the program? I know so she definitely going to reach out to you anytime she see it as well too.
Shall I say a chips this?
Yeah.
But she has to say her.
So when she hear your story, she going to reach out as well too. Yeah, because...
Alright, thanks.
Yeah man, bless her.
I should really need the help with you.
Make them feel like you have to give them a warmness.
See you.
Give them the warm appreciation. You have to can't make them feel good.
And she usually in the street and nothing she go through the Stabaro at the hospital and make something.
man, as long as we're there and we see them, man, we can do the match, we look good, the match game,
True.
the greatest thing going life, you know, and I really money thing.
No.
Sometimes it's where the thing I come from.
Just Father God, you have to just hope and pray too.
True.
And wake up at Valentine, not if you sleep at night. So you know the aim, you can just go and sleep and never wake up back.
True. You have more life, like goodness, so you do
So you do.
you know?
Go on with the faith and see what's going on here. Yeah.
I know people will see it and watch it and heart goes for you. I should go through a lot of struggling.
Yeah. Sure.
It's not nice here, no, because more time she all walk and look a little thing, buy a pampers and feed it to her baby enough time. She don't really get it, so she have to
so she have to do,
and then she pregnant, she don't drink a lot.
And I see like the person who care for her, what she has, you know?
Yeah, true.
That just want the people them just watch the video and just reach out for her.
Yeah, I'm not sure for you.
Yeah, I know she not the church.
Yeah.
I think she go to church, say the way and she pray.
Yeah.
You know, say all of them in the church, you know, the heart go just go so fair. The same situation. Because she never must come. But she just come. And Father God send her right here, so see she can get a starting.
Something. So I give thanks and bless the people then, because they're going to reach out to me.
Yeah.
You see me? Cause
Blessing for all support up behind the game every time, same way. And done every time we say, from TrenchTown to the world.
Give thanks.
With enough love and long life to us, same way. You understand me?
Just give thanks and praise to the whole of the supporters then.
And long life to everyone, same way.
And these are the last word. Blessing.
More life.
More life.
Every time.
Every time. Ginger place. Come along.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.